Hi, this is Michael from Material. We will use Exodus, which is a wallet on your phone. It serves as a bridge to make transfers to other addresses. We will move all your Bitcoin from your Material wallet to your phone. From there, you can send Bitcoin to wherever you want. Before moving forward, make sure to read our manual to learn the best security practices when you manage crypto. This time we've chosen the Exodus app for this tutorial. Disconnect your device from the internet. Type your private key anywhere on your phone without the characters before the column. On Exodus, click on the settings icon, then press on Add Bitcoin from Private Keys. Paste the private key of your Material wallet. After that, delete your private key wherever you typed it on your device. Connect back to the internet. Success! Your wallet has been imported. Keep in mind that Exodus only allows you to sweep your assets, which means you send all of them to Exodus. Now you have balance. The second step consists in sending your Bitcoin partially or totally from your phone to another address. Select the amount of Bitcoin you wish to send and paste the receiver's address or scan the QR code of the wallet. Once you are done with the payments or transfers, check the balance of your Exodus wallet. If there is Bitcoin left, do not forget to make a last transfer with the remaining balance to your Material wallet. If you leave a balance on Exodus, make sure you do not delete the wallet from the application because you will lose your funds. Wait a few minutes and make sure the transfer was done by checking the balance of your wallet at this link.